Hello, Mr. Asmu.
Good day, sir.
Hello, everyone. Bulunaka. How's everyone doing?
Fine,
Man,
sir.
this is a great day for Fiji. Yeah.
The workforce, the employees of EFL, thought, that there are many in our country who may be struggling as a result of losing their jobs and not able to put food on the table. So we decided that we'll do a collection. So the employees put forth whatever they wish to, and we have collected just over $30,000, which we wish to contribute towards your COVID response fund, sir. So it could be utilized in the most appropriate manner as you think fit, sir.
Thank you, Asmu. To tell you the truth, I was quite taken back when I was told about this contribution, because this is the first time a company has offered us this money to give to the people that have been affected by COVID. No other has come forward like we have. Now, I have no doubt that some of your members also have been affected by COVID. But to come up with this donation is very impressive. And on that note, I want to thank you, and I want to thank everyone in EFL for this wonderful contribution. Thank you.
I will convey your appreciation to all the workforce.
Thank you, Asmu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
God bless.